Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the market site in Times Square, we have Marc Bhargava. He is the co-founder and president of Tagomi. We're going to talk about shorting and lending cryptocurrency. Marc, it's so great to have you back with us. Before we get into that with your announcement, tell us more about Tagomi.
Yeah, absolutely. So Tagomi is an agency brokerage in crypto, which basically means that we never trade against our clients and we help them place larger trades. So crypto has been a very retail-focused business for many, many years in terms of trading. But in 2017, we started to see more sort of hedge funds, venture funds, crypto funds get in the space. And so Tagomi was built in early 2018 to really help those people place much larger trades and to have best execution across multiple exchanges and market makers all through one account with Tagomi.
All right, so now there's an announcement. Tagomi, you're the first agency-based brokerage firm to offer electronic lending and shorting in crypto. We don't necessarily hear about shorting and lending in crypto.
Right, absolutely. So this market has moved very quickly. So that shift from retail to more institutional has been taking place really only over the last couple years. And so there are a lot of market pieces that have been missing. And in terms of lending, we've had a lot of clients who end up placing large trades with us, then custodying with us, and then asking us, hey, can I lend out? And we've also had a lot of hedge fund clients asking, hey, I want to short certain crypto assets as well. And so really because of the demand for lending and shorting, we work to find the best counterparties and now are offering it to our own clients across multiple counterparties.
So this is the first time that clients can short crypto
through a brokerage system, yeah.
Right.
So today it's a pretty hard process. So if you want to go short crypto, you can go to a certain exchange that might do it. You can go out and try to find your own counterparty.
That gets expensive.
It gets really expensive to find these different exchanges, counterparties. You have to then borrow. You need to negotiate the interest rate. As you probably know, in this unsophisticated market, there's really not an interest rate on crypto. And so there are all these different pieces you have to go do. So what we've started doing at Tagomi is we've identified, okay, who can we borrow crypto from that we trust, that are reliable, that have clear rates, that have clear terms, and we've put together a lot of those partners. And so this is really the first time you can go to a brokerage, an agency-based electronic brokerage where you can do it all online and go in and suddenly start lending and shorting and knowing that you're working with the best execution agency-based brokerage that will always be trading on your behalf.
Do you think we'll eventually get to where we are with equities right now, which is a relatively seamless process when it comes to shorting stock, and it's obviously a more mature market?
Yeah.
But I think to get there in the crypto space really starts to lend to institutional adoption.
Absolutely. One of the reasons we started Tagomi was because we were hearing people wanted a prime brokerage. They didn't want to go and do all the different pieces at first on trade execution, hooking up to 10 exchanges, 4 market makers, onboarding there, negotiating fees, smart routing. They wanted an easy way to execute. And we've been seeing over the last year, the same thing is true with lending and shorting. They want one prime brokerage that can step in, that can navigate all these counterparties, that can move around cash and coin, and can ensure they have the best and easiest lending and shorting experience.
So how does that work? Because with the stock, there's something physical that you can attach to it. It's a little bit different with cryptocurrency. Explain to our audience, because it's a code, it's software is really what it is, right?
Yeah, what's really difficult is there's no DTCC, there's no centralized clearing. So in equities, what's really great, and my co-founder Greg was the global head of electronic trading at Goldman for 13 years.
So he knows something about people.
So not only did he lead the trading group, but all settlement and clearing rolled up to him as well. And our COO Kevin managed a lot of the broker-dealer relationships for both Citadel and Two Sigma where he worked. So our team has a lot of experience in this, and crypto in many ways is even harder than equities, because in equities you can have T+2 settlement, you have things like the DTCC, sort of after the lend or the short you can figure out all the pieces and who owes what, and there are all these really large trusted counterparties on the custody side or on the DTCC clearing side. And so in crypto, Tagomi's stepping in to do that because we haven't seen anyone do that. And so, we're a trusted name and brand that's raised $28 million from Founders Fund and Paradigm. We have a lot of great clients, including Multicoin and Pantera and others. And so it's a central part of the ecosystem to have this prime brokerage that can be trusted by different sides and can facilitate this lending and shorting and be that counterparty that people need.
Yeah, this is an exciting development in the crypto space. Congratulations. And thanks as always for joining us at MarketSite. And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.